This is number 27 in our Chapter 5 review, where we are asked to express this radical in simplest form and assume that variables represent positive real numbers. But in number 27, we don't have any variables. So this is one of those where clearly we have a square root, and it's a square root of 150, and we're wanting to simplify that radical. So we look at our list of perfect squares, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, and so on. And we try to find the largest of them that divides evenly into 150. Well, 150 divides evenly by 25. And there are 6 25s that go into 150. So therefore, the square root of 150 is equal to the square root of 25 times the square root of 6. But we don't want to forget that there is a 3/4 out in front. So now what we do is we simplify that square root of 25. It's equal to 5. And whatever we bring out from underneath the radical must always be multiplied by what's already there. So 5 over 1 times 3 over 4 is 15 over 4. And then we have to leave that square root 6 as is.